A worn-out bottling machine does not properly apply caps to 5% of the bottles it fills. If you randomly select 20 bottles, what is the approximate probability that between 2 and 6 inclusive, meaning we're going to include 2 and we're including 6, caps have been improperly applied? Well, the idea here, if we think about the possibilities, so out of the 20 bottles, that 0 caps are improperly applied, 1 is improperly applied, 2, and so on, all the way up to 6. If we found the individual probabilities for 2 through 6, that would be, you could do it with the binomial formula, do that 5 different times, add them all up. You could do it with binomial PDF 5 times, or we can think about a shortcut using binomial CDF. But let's just put this into notation here that we want to find the probability. So X is the number of caps that have been improperly applied out of 20. So we want to find the probability that X is a value including and in between 2 and 6. So to make the process a little bit shorter, I might think about doing a binomial CDF to find the probability first that X is less than or equal to 6. So that's going to be, oh, I didn't really write this. Good. So the probability that X is less than or equal to 6 would be binomial CDF out of the 20, so that's N. Probability of success means that it is not properly applied, so that's 0.05. And our last input there is going to be 6. So that gives us this answer here. Now that's actually including the probability that 0 are improperly applied and the probability that 1 is improperly applied, because it's 6 and then everything below it. So I'm wanting to subtract these out of the answer that we just got. And so what I'm going to do secondly here is I'm going to do a second binomial CDF calculation, and I'm just going to find the probability here that it's less than or equal to 1, meaning it's 0 or 1. So the last input position there is a 1. So that gives me this answer here in green. So notice how it's a pretty high likelihood that none are improperly applied or only one of them is, which makes sense because it's only a 5% chance that any one of them is improperly applied. Then I'm just going to go ahead and subtract it. So it looks like that gives us a final answer of about 0.264. So it looks like the correct answer should be B. Thanks for watching.